Wakey, wakey. It's time to go back to England. It's time to leave Talisman.
I don't want to leave Talisman.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Alma and Laura are saying goodbye to us in a pretty spectacular way.
Yep.
We've just got a beautiful, beautiful sunrise. And we are just packing up, ready to go. Goodbye. Oh, a euro. There we go. Let it all air.
Sorted.
Guys, that is it. We are all packed up. Everything is done. I'll show you guys around because it looks a mess at the minute, but that's just because we've let everything air. Took everything out so nothing gets damp, and that's it. We are good to go. It feels very strange. Definitely wasn't ready for this season to end so soon, but there we are. We had an amazing time, and let's start planning for the next one. So I'll just walk you guys around. So basically we've took all the bedding off. We've vacuum packed all our clothes, all our bedding. We've lifted the mattress up so that the lockers underneath can air and that the mattress can air as well. We've also took all of the covers off the lockers, lifted all the cushions up so all those lockers can get some air. We've lifted the bilge covers up so that they can stay dry. And yeah, that's it, I think. Got the curtains on. The gas is disconnected. Everything is switched off, I think. Yep, everything is switched off. And I think that's about it. We've also brought our spray hood in. Apparently it gets super dusty here. I mean, this guy's kept his out, but there's a few boats here that are absolutely covered in dust, so we've took that in, as well as taking all the lines in, as you saw. So yeah, I think we're about ready to go now. I'm gonna start passing some of this stuff down to Bryn. We're good to go.
We hold on to nothing, 'cause we got a perfect storm. At the start or at the end, is it really worth knowing the answer to?
That's it, guys. We are now officially leaving Talisman for the winter.
Locked up.
She's locked up for the winter, but looking beautiful.
Yeah.
And she'll be fine.
She will.
She's in good hands, I'm sure. We are now heading to go and hand the keys back in and
Head to the bus stop.
to the bus stop. That's it.
If anyone has a spare 2 mil and you want an exploration vessel.
Yeah, we looked online how much it was, didn't we? See if we could afford it, you know.
It's just under €2 million. This is wicked. Looks cool.
How big's that?
I don't know, probably like, whoa.
What was that?
That was a big fish. This is probably like 55, 60 foot.
Whoa. And this one?
I think this one's a little bit bigger.
These are mad. Look at the size of
This
it.
is really cool. That's everything done?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you next year.
And we'll see you next year.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye. So we've just got off the bus, nice quick 20-minute bus ride. I'm now going to go find a coffee shop to wait for a bit because we have got... We're just going to go to a coffee shop now and wait for our car share to arrive. And then that will take us to Malaga Airport, which is about a 2-hour journey. Time to kill, so park.
Yeah, I like it here.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath, run out of things
We are just waiting out the last hour and a half before our car arrives, just enjoying the last bit of the sun before heading back to lovely winter. Feeling super chilled, to be honest.
So chilled.
Feeling super chilled. Yeah, so we've got a car share. It's pretty cool actually. There's this app, in case you didn't know, called Blah Blah Car, and basically if someone just puts on the route they're doing and how many spaces they've got for passengers, and basically it just splits the fare. So we priced up a taxi from Almerimar to Malaga Airport, and it was, I think it was between 150 and 200 euros. Whereas this car share, it's only costing us 22 euros in total. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
Hola.
Against the wall and scream while you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you start a little war. Same way as before. Yeah, you start a little war.
So we are back. We have flown back. We're now back in Birmingham. We're back at our parents' house.
Obviously, Talisman is still in Almerimar. We have flew back to England. You guys are here with us now in real time in the UK. And we've got loads of really cool stuff going on while we're back here. But just to let you guys know, when we're getting back to the boat is going to be the 4th of April we're flying back. So it's really not that long until we're back on board and doing some awesome sailing adventures.
Yep. So it's been an amazing adventure so far. Like, we've done so much in such a short amount of time and travelled so far. We're so proud of ourselves.
Yeah. Like, I can't believe we left in July, and obviously our boat is now in the Mediterranean. Like, we're just so buzzing. It's been an amazing adventure. We've just had the time of our lives already, haven't we? You guys can probably see how excited we've been through it all, and we can't wait to get back and do some even bigger adventures.
This was kind of like the first tick, I suppose, on our sailing to-do list. In terms of where we want to go and where we want to explore. So that's done now. Now we're in the Mediterranean. But it would be really cool to find out where you guys think we should head to in the Mediterranean. What would you like to see? Obviously, we're thinking of going to the Balearics, to Sardinia, Greece, Turkey, Albania,
Croatia, Montenegro, everywhere.
But where would you guys most look forward to seeing us cruising around? And also for those people that have already done some travelling in the Mediterranean, where would you recommend? So also just looking back at what we've done so far, what have been your guys' favourite moments? Also, we want this dialogue, we want to chat with you guys in the comments. So, like, what has made you laugh the most, or what has been the place that you're like, okay, that's got to be the next place that we go to on holiday, or just, what has been your favourite moments, your funniest moments, and what sort of thing do you want to see more on this channel? This has been kind of our first season, and we are still very, very new to YouTube and new to sailing, and we just want to develop, and having you guys on board watching it is incredible. So, we want to kind of grow with you guys in mind.
So whilst we are in England, we're actually really, really excited to get to meet some really cool people. So we're meeting some other boaty people, and obviously also catching up with friends that we've met on Instagram as well. So for those of you that are just really itching for us to get back out sailing and don't want to see us stuck here in rainy England, we fly back to Talisman on the 4th of April, so it's really not that long till we're back out sailing.
Nope.
When we do get back to Talisman, it's not going to be long till we get back in the water, hopefully, all being well. We've got a few small jobs to do and a couple of kind of exciting upgrades that we want to do as well. But we want to get back in and sailing as soon as we can. Bryn just pulled me up on how I say going to.
Gonna.
We both say gonna. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that.
I'm gonna get down to the boat.
We are going to. So the next video we're going to share with you guys is one about how much we've spent. We want to talk with you because we get a lot of questions about this. We want to talk to you about how much we've spent, how much everything cost on our journey from England to the Mediterranean.
So food, marinas, all the things that you can't imagine in the middle, that's
Yep.
what we're going to put into that video.
Exactly. And then also before we fly back to Talisman, we're going to do a video all about the marinas and anchorages, so what they were like, which ones we found good, the facilities, the costs, and just tell you guys every marina and anchorage that we stayed in along the way, which you might find useful if you're also planning this journey. And aside from that, we should have a few videos of people that we meet here, as well as the boat show. So that's what you can expect until April when we fly back to the boat, so really hope you find those useful.
I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or all those things we want to talk to you about, obviously just let us know down in the comments and we'll get back to you guys. If you enjoyed it, please hit like, and if you want to follow along on this adventure, please hit the subscribe button and tick the notification bell, and you will be updated every time a video comes out.
So thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.
Did you notice the merch?
Oh yes, time for some shameless self-promotion. Have you wanted to get yourself a recycled, eco-friendly merchandise?
Merchandise?
I'm not the merchandise.
No.
I'm wearing it.
Yeah, this merchandise. Oh hey.
Okay, focus.
I don't know.
Have you really exciting upgrades?
We're going sailing. And yeah. And yeah.
And yeah.
I forgot what I said. What did I say?
I don't know.
Give me a pointer.